EcoSmart ECO 11 Electric Tankless Water Heater Review. Today's review is on the EcoSmart ECO 11 Electric Tankless Water Heater, a compact yet powerful solution designed to deliver endless hot water on demand. Key features. The ECO 11 uses patented self-modulating technology, which means it adjusts energy usage based on how much hot water you actually need. This ensures efficiency and consistent performance, keeping water temperature within 1 degree of your selected setting. With an amperage draw of 54 amps, it's built for reliability and precision. Performance. This 13 kilowatt model provides between 1.3 and 3.1 gallons per minute, depending on the inlet water temperature. In warmer climates, it can handle up to 2 showers at once, while in colder climates, it's ideal for a single shower or sink. The digital temperature control allows adjustments in 1-degree increments, giving you complete control over comfort. Space and energy savings. The ECO 11 is 90% smaller than traditional tank heaters, with dimensions of just 11.5 by 8 by 3.75 inches. It can be mounted on a wall or installed at the point of use, saving valuable space. It's also 99% thermal energy efficient, heating water only when needed, unlike tank heaters that waste energy maintaining temperature even when not in use. Practical applications. Perfect for bathrooms, office break rooms, or small sinks, this unit is designed for point-of-use or low-flow applications. It's a smart choice for anyone looking to upgrade to a modern, efficient water heating system without sacrificing performance. Return policy. When purchased through Amazon, the ECO 11 is covered by their voluntary 30-day return guarantee, giving you peace of mind if the product doesn't meet your expectations. The EcoSmart ECO 11 Electric Tankless Water Heater combines compact design, energy efficiency, and reliable performance, making it an excellent option for households and offices that want hot water on demand. For more details and current pricing, check the product link in the description and pinned comment. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more professional product reviews.